Hello, friends, and good morning to everyone. In this, we are going to learn about how to write an informal letter. First, we will understand what is an informal letter. Then, we will look into the format of informal letter. Finally, we will understand the format with the help of an example. Okay, so let's get started. Let's quickly revise means what is actually a letter. Yes, what is a letter? A letter is a written message conveyed from one person to another person, generally via post, right? The primary purpose of letter is communication in written form. Okay, then we will see types of letters. Now there are two types of letters. Okay, let us divide it: formal letter and the second one is informal letter. Okay, the formal letter is written for business or professional purposes. It is specific object in mind. Yes, it uses simple language that can be easy to read and interpret. Formal letters are always written for departments or businesses purpose. Okay, now let's understand when we use informal letter. Okay, now informal letter is written for personal communication. It uses casual or emotional tunes. Okay, it is written basically for friends or family purpose. Yes, okay, so we will learn the format of formal letter later. Today we will start the informal letter. Okay, we will understand the format properly, how an informal letter is written, how to write an informal letter. Let's first understand the format of an informal letter. It must have six things in it. Okay, sender's details. Here the sender's name and address comes. Okay, and the sender is the one who is writing the letter. Number two, the date of which the letter is written. Suppose you are writing a letter on 2nd July 2021, so you have to write the letter date here, 2nd July 2021. Okay, the third step is salutation. A salutation is a greeting used in a letter. Generally, we use dear, dear, dear best friend or dear Samartha. Anything you all can write there. Okay, if you're writing it to your mother, then you all have to write dear mother. Okay, step 4 is the body. The body of the letter contains actual message. It usually divides into three parts. First one is introduction, main content, and the summary. So three parts should be there. The introduction paragraph is the purpose of the letter. The main content detail conveys all the details, and summarize means it summarizes the information. It means it a conclusion. In this letter there are certain points. Okay, let us see. Casual tone, you'll have to use casual tone. Contractions you'll have to use, like I haven't, you have to use I haven't instead of I have not. Then third, you have to use exclamatory sentences, so you have to write in an active voice. Most important, that is no strict rule to divide your body into three paragraphs. Yes, try to please give this powerpoints while writing a letter. Okay, the next one is complimentary close. It is the way to end the letter. It means goodbye in general, we say. Okay, yours lovingly, yours sincerely we use. Yes, and the last one is name, sender's name and signature we have to put here. Okay, now to whom you are sending, in his and her signature and name should become. Okay, so first one is sender's details, second one is date, third one is salutation, fourth one is body, and fifth one is complimentary close, and step 6 is name and sign. The sender's name should be there. Okay, let's use the format and understand how to write a letter. Okay, we have to write a letter to your best friend to wish him on his birthday. Okay, you have to write the sender's detail. I'm writing the detail of sender detail. Okay, Nishan School, Ahmedabad. Okay, and the second step, what we should write, the second step is date, 2nd March. Okay, so third step is salutation. We have to write the salutation, dear bestie. Okay, the body, we have to write the body of the letter. Yes, body may be divided into 3 parts. We have learned introduction, main content, and summary. Yes, let's write off the body of the letter. I can't believe that one of my oldest and surely my closest friend is already 28. You don't look that young. Thank you for all your support, idiot. I hope that you have all a year full of blessings. Oh, forget, you already have me. The best blessing. I would like to remind you of some of the commitment you had with me. We had an agreement that as I am 2 months younger than that, I will marry. You will marry exactly 2 months after that. You have already crossed the deadline. I'm married since last June. I had even done a recharge of 10 rupees on your mobile, but still waiting for your call. Now it's high time to fulfill many such promises. Well, fun apart, many happy returns of the day. I hope you achieve dreams this year and have a year full of happiness and success. So this is the body of the letter. The fifth step we'll see. It is the complimentary course. Let's use yours lovingly. Yes, and the final last part of the letter is name and signature of him. Yes, your loving Mihir Shah and his sign. Okay, did you all get it? So in the body content, now I have written a letter to my friend. Okay, let's quickly revise what we have learned. Firstly, we have understood the format of the informal letter. Okay, we looked into the 6 essential components, that is, which are sender's detail should be there, date should be there, salutation should be there, then body should be there, fifth one is complimentary clause should be there, and the sender's name and signature should be there. So these parts are compulsory. Then we have seen that the body of letter is divided into 3 parts. The first is introduction, main content, and summary. Then while writing a letter you'd use casual tone, then contraction we should use, exclamatory sentences if needed, active voice should be there, and no strict rule to divide the body into 3. If you want to divide, you all can divide it. Finally, we have seen how to write a letter. Yes, thank you. I hope so you all have understood.